Okay, guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is your boy Timmy Don. And I want to say Happy New Year because this is the very first video I'm actually making on my YouTube channel. Guys, if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe right now, because the reason why you want to subscribe that this channel is the best channel you can actually make money from legitly. Okay, so I just want to do a recap of preview videos that I did last year and some platform that we actually introduced, and why I've not been talking about some recent platform recently. So last year I spoke about NetSwap, I spoke about Mayor Trade, I spoke about I did a video on the. Let me go through all my videos. I just want to do a brief recap so that we'll know how to go about it this year. Because what I always tell you guys that I want you to make money. I don't want you to join any platform that's going to take your money away. So I did NetSwap, I did Mayor Trade, I did Fire VIP, I did Super Nano. I did what else did I do again? I did some platform, and this platform they actually lasted for some period of time before they eventually crashed. Okay, so right now, guys, what I want to do for you now, right now, is that how long are you continue to keep doing this? Now, let's go to YouTube generally, and I know a lot of you are actually into this platform, Miratel, right? Miratel, okay, okay. So I know a lot of you are actually into this program called Mirate. I intentionally did not promote some of this program because why? I'm just waiting for the best time to promote a platform that is going to give you good money, and that is why I'm waiting. And trust me, guys, if I see any platform that is legit, that is going to last longer than any of this platform, I'm obviously going to introduce it. Okay. So another platform that actually existed last year was this platform called, is it TVC review, I think TV digital review. Okay, this platform was also a platform that was launched last year, and also I did not promote it. And right now, I believe that you are aware that the platform has actually crashed. Okay, so this platform lasted for, I think, for like a month or so, and before you know, people were promoting it, thinking that, oh, this is the Messiah of 2023, and as usual, it just like out of the blue air, like just disappear. Okay, another program again that actually was trending early this year was this platform. So another platform that was existing, that was called this server net, stuff like that. A lot of people were also joining, and before you know, it's actually crashed. Now my point now is that, are you going to continue doing all this? I'm not against some of this program, because if you are with me on this channel, you know that on this channel there's a way we go about it, that we join very early, and we make it for the moment, and we make a lot of profit from it. That is how it has been on my channel. I don't promote programs that are 5 months, 3 months. I always promote any program that are just launched, and we get into the program immediately, invest money a lot or little, what we know we can risk, and we make money out of it, and before it crash, we already absorb all our income. Okay, so guys, stay tuned. Programs are coming. Don't hurry to join any program because you are broke. Don't lose your hard-earned income. Okay, so right now, what I want to do for you guys is that actually you want to teach how to make a YouTube video, how to make money through YouTube shorts. There are a lot of YouTube shorts that are actually going right here, and I want to teach you. Though I'll make another video about it. So what I'm doing right now is that if I go to my WhatsApp group, I actually created this group, okay, and it's called on 1,000 YouTube subscribers. Okay, so the group is there, and I'm the major admin in the group, and so guys, if you're interested, you want to learn how to make YouTube, you want to know how to make videos, automated videos. So guys, please make sure you join this group. At the end of when we get to the 500 or 1,000, there's actually a fee you are going to pay. I don't know yet, but it's going to be less than 10,000. Let's say between 5,000 to 10,000. Okay, so if you are interested, you may want to join this group. The link will be below. What we are going is 1,000 people. Okay, and I'm going to teach you how to make videos using ChatGPT automation, how to automate your YouTube channel. You can see my channel that I have over 2,000 subscribers already. So I have over 2,000 subscribers on my channel, and this I came about that is because I'm not telling you the secret, okay? So join the group below. Thank you and happy new year once again.